Solar power LED light for daytime circuit built on a breadboard. The solar-based LED for daytime circuit successfully lights up the LED using the power generated by the solar panel during sunlight. For demonstration, we cover solar plate using paper, then LED is off. It means no sunlight. No electricity generates by solar plate, as shown in video. If we remove cover from solar plate, then LED is on, and sunlight produce electricity using solar plate. As shown in video, how to make solar-powered LED circuit. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel. We deliver good and productive video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi and English. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno91 Green Technologies. Subscribe and get new video. Thank you and visit Book of Technical channel again.